Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Sun and Moon on your phone. First, you will need to download a Nintendo 3DS emulator. Applications like Citra are excellent choices, providing a stable platform for your gaming experience. Make sure your phone has at least 4 GB of RAM and a capable processor for optimal performance. This initial step is crucial for a smooth and enjoyable adventure. Next, you will need to acquire the game file, also known as a ROM. The most ethical way is to dump your own physical game cartridge using specific tools. This process converts your game into a digital file, typically in a .3ds or .cia format, which your emulator can read. Always ensure you own the game you are playing digitally. Once you have your ROM, open your emulator application. You will find an option to load a game, usually labeled Load ROM or Open Game. Browse to the location where you saved your Pokémon Sun or Moon file and select it. Take a few moments to explore the emulator's settings. You can often enhance graphics, customize controls, and even speed up gameplay for a more personalized experience. With everything set up, you are ready to embark on your Pokémon adventure in the Alola region. The game should now load and run smoothly. You can use the on-screen touch controls, or for a more traditional feel, connect a Bluetooth controller to your phone. Remember to save your game frequently, both within the game itself and by using the emulator's Save State feature to protect your progress.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.